Hey guys, I'm coming down into the basement this morning and look at what I find when I come into this basement. All of a sudden, we have this amazing project going on, and Bill's been a little busy this morning, so I asked him just to share with me so we could share with you. What have you been doing out here? So let's talk.
Well, I have had these planks that I cut with the chainsaw. I've had them set up, I don't know, maybe, we think it was 4 months or so in the basement.
At least.
Maybe
yeah.
longer than that. Moisture meter says they're good. Got a couple of these things, and I don't know, don't
Some are better than others.
Yeah, it's anyway between 12% and 8% or something like that. So it should be pretty dry. I've had them down here in the basement with a fan on them for several months. Now they are obviously rough cut because this is a chainsaw that did it, and I wanted live edge, but I can't get the width I want running through the planer because it only does 12 inches. So had to go ahead
And this
cut both edges off.
planer you got was a Craftsman, looks like, and
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I know that there's, DeWalt's supposedly top of the line, but I wasn't necessarily looking for that. I'm not making furniture. This is mostly just shelving and building materials. So I think it'll work fine. That's what everybody said. But you can show them right here all these gouges from the blade of the chainsaw. So it's really rough.
yeah, you can feel that. I mean, that's,
I've run several through here already. It does an amazing job. It's incredible how well it does. So we'll run a few through and show you. It makes a huge mess and a lot of noise. But
cat doesn't like that sometimes here in the basement.
So
look at all this.
yeah, it's a pile of stuff. But anyway, let's run a few through and
Okay.
we'll show you what it does.
Turn it on. right, let me get a little bit of the dust off the
Yeah.
lens. There we go.
So look how smooth this is. I've got some deep gouges in here.
Yeah.
Something must have messed up right there, but I don't know that I'll be able to get all of that out, but I'll be able to get probably this out right here,
Yeah.
get all of this smooth. So,
And it's amazing, just to feel right here. This,
oh, it's really
that's
smooth.
really incredible.
So it just depends on how how much I'm willing to take off of it.
Yeah.
And I didn't know, how much extra thickness to put on this thing when I was making it. I probably should have put more. If it had been a
How
smooth,
much would you say? How thick is it?
I think I did 5 or 6 quarters.
5 or 6
Thinking I'd
quarters.
probably have to take off quite a bit, but maybe should have gone even more. But see, this side was a good cut.
Yes.
From the chainsaw, and I don't know. There's some lines right there, but so it should get this side looking pretty nice. I think. We'll see. I'll keep running it through and
Yeah, show us
see what it
more.
does.
What do you call that?
I don't know. It's like a great big chunks of sawdust. But all right, so look at how good of a job
my
this
goodness.
thing's done. It's amazing.
And I know y'all really can't tell this from the video, but it is so smooth. When you run your hand on this, it's incredible.
Yeah, I'm impressed. I mean, obviously it could be, you know, you could even make it for furniture. You'd want it even smoother. But so I got a little bit left right here.
Yep. So
and
there.
Oh, here's that gouge I said I didn't know that I'd be able to get out. Actually, there's not that much left.
Yeah, that's
to take
pretty.
that out.
Especially on this side, it's pretty smooth.
And then on this side, I haven't run as many passes through on this side because it came out looking good in a hurry. So I might take another one here to get some more of that mold off right there, but I didn't have enough space between them and enough airflow when they were dry. I got some mold on them, but lesson learned. So, well, I think that's good. This is how, I mean, we still got some thickness there. But I'm going to run it through a few more times, and I'll have me a really nice piece of wood there. So, thumbs up on the Craftsman. It seems like it's working well.
Yeah.
Half the price of, well, yeah, about half the price of the DeWalt. So,
So far, we like
it.
it.
Yeah.